Hey there, imagine if you could paint two gorgeous big blooms canvas just like these. Choose from poppies, peonies, roses, frangipanis, pears, cherries, anemones, tulips, and so much more. And you can, even if you've never painted before. Hi, I'm Jacqueline Coates. This is my beautiful gallery, Salon Rouge, in the Barossa Valley. And I've got a new workshop coming up because now it's safe for us to get together again. So if you've never painted before, or if you're looking for a creative reboot, if you've painted with me before and you want to get your creativity going again, this is an ideal time. The Barossa is absolutely on steroids with spring right now. The fields across the valley are turning from green to gold and into hay bales. The roses are flushing everywhere and the temperature is perfect. I supply all your art materials. You don't have to think at all about what to bring. I've got everything you need here. The catering is done for you and my teaching is proven and no fail. I've taught literally thousands of people over the years, and many of those people have not only left entered my workshop with no experience and finished with two amazing paintings under their belt, often worrying, can they actually do it? And so surprised and delighted when they find they can, because of the simplicity of my blooms painting method and the delight that they find when they can do it. I've also got people who ended up becoming six-figure selling artists from learning how to use my blooms painting method and going on to do so many more paintings themselves at home, because it's a system that anybody can learn. I'm so looking forward to teaching you. We're going to have a great time, and there's never been a better time. So produce two lovely big blooms canvases in time for Christmas. Be so proud to hang them at home and show them off to your friends, who'll all say to you, we always knew you were creative. So it's time to hand yourself in, come and have some fun. I'm known as the go-to compassionate art teacher and I'd love to help you. See you in class.